Bismillah. Welcome to Cooking Adventure's Kitchen. Today we are going to cook imlikichatni. Ingredients are on screen. We need imli pulp, ginger powder, spices, brown sugar, salt, zebra powder, black salt and vinegar. Soak imli for an hour. Rub the mixture with hands. Put net on pot to separate imli mixture and seeds. Pour imli mixture. Seeds are separated, take it out. Now mixture looks like this. Flame on to boil it. Add brown sugar jaggery, red chili powder, zira powder, sugar to spoon, ginger powder, salt and black salt. Cover the pot with lid. Boiling, start cook till it become thick. Water is reducing by cooking. Check the thickness. Cook chutney for some more time. Add vinegar to extend the time of chutney for a week to use. Amazing desired thickness achieved. Look at the pot. It shows how thick chutney is. Pour it a bowl or jar. Refrigerate it for a week or long. Enjoy the yummalicious imlikichatnimetheekhatee.